Hey, how's it going again, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell, showing you once again another passive income stream that we are using online to make and generate money passively in 2020. And that means no recruiting, no referrals are needed, just ways you can make money on your own. Don't have to talk to anybody, no selling, no telling, no recruiting, just passive income. Today I want to tell you how a way you can actually get paid to learn about cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard me right. You can get paid to learn about cryptocurrency. Now, you've probably all heard about this before, but you didn't realize that it was available for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And we all use a great little company here that you probably heard before. It's called Coinbase. Coinbase is actually a very popular website that's be able to use to um, uh, actually buy and sell cryptocurrency, whether it be Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero, whatever your actual need for is cryptocurrency. Well, at Coinbase, you can also get paid to learn about different cryptocurrencies. So let me show you exactly what we're referring to here. So when you go into Coinbase and you get logged in, um, Coinbase will actually allow you to get paid to learn about different cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm currently logged in right now, and all you got to do is when you come in, you'll see here that I have different amounts of currency, different currencies that you can track, and you can see how they're how they're earning on the market, right? How they're going up and down in price. Same as Bitcoin. Everybody's familiar with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin currently is at over $10,000 right now. So Bitcoin's back up and it's in a plus right now. But if you scroll down here, you'll see that you can earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. And basically, you learn about different cryptocurrencies and you earn them for free. So you're actually doing the learning you learn right here some very short videos through the Coinbase website, and they're going to actually pay you in free cryptocurrency about what you just learned. So if you scroll down here, you see that I've recently I received some Bitcoin here just today. I also received some free coins from EOS, and you'll see my wallets here. This is all the money here for different Bitcoin, different cryptocurrencies that I learned about and I actually earned from them. So these are the amounts that I earned from each one. And all you really got to do is go to this button right here, Earn Crypto, or go to the link below this video, and you'll be able to. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you just sign up for a Coinbase account. It's free. Don't have to put any money in or anything like that. But then you can go and actually learn, and you can earn crypto while you learn about crypto. So it's pretty cool. You just scroll down here and you see there's the different kinds of crypto that you can learn about. And you just click on these continue button here and you learn about that particular crypto, and it tells you how much that you can earn. As you will see, I have earned from some of these already, like Tezos. I've earned $6 in XTC. From DAI, I still can earn $14 more there. I've already earned some of that DAI. EOS, I can earn $40 more there. It looks $40 more waiting to be earned right there. So it's free money. Stellar, $40 more remaining to be earned. So it's pretty cool. And all you really got to do is you just click on View, and it's going to come up and tell you about the new cryptocurrency, and you click on Get Started. It's going to tell you a little track right here of how well you're doing, how far you've gone. So this lesson 1, it earned me $2 in XTC. In the second lesson 2, earned me $2. The third one earned me $2, so I earned a total of $6 in Tezos. So this is a great little platform to use for buying and selling crypto and learning more about the different cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, but learning about other cryptocurrencies and how they actually work, and getting paid in those cryptocurrencies when you learn about them. The reason why these are saying there's still more to earn right here is because you can actually click on them, and once you've learned about the cryptocurrencies and you've got paid for them, like here I earned $2 in EOS, I earned $2 in EOS on that one, $2 in EOS on that one, and 2 in there, 2 in there. And the last step is you can actually give your friends the gift of EOS. Invite up to 4 friends to join Coinbase, and they'll get a special access to earn EOS. Also, you'll get $10 in EOS for each friend who completes and learns a lesson. And then they give you the link here to get them signed up. So essentially, there is more money. There's 4 invites waiting to be claimed, and for each invite, when your invites come in and they learn about this EOS cryptocurrency, you'll get $10 along with them earning money as well. So 10 times 4, it's 40 bucks waiting to be earned right here. All you gotta do is invite more friends. And now if you don't want to invite anybody, you don't have to, but there's just money waiting on the table for you to actually get paid more crypto. And then if you want, you can just cash this out to, exchange it for a different cryptocurrency, or just sell it for, US dollars. If you like I am, if you're in the US, you want US dollars, just sell it for US. But that's a real quick, brief introduction. So that's all I want to show you real quick. This is another way that you can earn money online. Very simple, very easy. Plus, you're educating yourself. You're getting smarter because there's more to cryptocurrency than just Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, being the most popular, it's the highest value, but you never know when the value of the other cryptocurrencies is going to change and raise as well. So why not get it for free? Hold on to it, and then when the price goes up in the future, you'll be glad you did. All right, well, this is Brian Farrell signing off again. Check the link below in this video. Also, subscribe to my channel where I'm always showing you how to win money online and earn online. And once again, let's get that passive, massive income.